Welcome to Charlotte Technical College. In just 60 seconds, we'll show you a glimpse of our baking and pastry arts program and what your future could look like. The day starts with students diving into the heart of baking, measuring, mixing, and creating. It's all about mastering the fundamentals and building your baking skills. Our students learn the art and science of baking, crafting everything from delectable pastries to stunning cakes. It's where creativity meets precision. Beyond the classroom, students have the opportunity to build a community and gain the skills to thrive in the baking industry. Graduates of our program find themselves in exciting roles, whether as pastry chefs in top restaurants, head bakers in bustling bakeries, or even entrepreneurs starting their own businesses. With industry certifications and hands-on experience, you'll be prepared for a successful career in the culinary world. Ready to turn your passion into a career? Join us at Charlotte Technical College and start your journey in baking and pastry arts today. Charlotte Technical College. Your future starts here.